Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create the haunted reflections effect using Google News AI feature Gemini Nano Banana. It's a super cool update that lets you edit your photo instantly just by typing a prompt. So if you are ready to turn your normal portrait into a cinematic Halloween scene, let's get started. First, just open Google Gemini. You can open it through your browser or you can open it through the app like this. And then just log in with your Google account. And once you're in, just tap on Create Image to access the Nano Banana. Or you can access it by tap on Tools icon and then create images like this. Now just upload the photo that you want to transform. It can be a selfie, a portrait, or maybe a studio photo. Just make sure it's clear enough for the AI to recognize your face. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just choose your photo. And then here's where the fun begins. Let's type a prompt. Before I already prepared one prompt like this. You can just copy mine exactly or feel free to tweak it however you like. Next, I will just copy my prompt and then go back to Gemini and then paste it. And when you're done, just tap on generate. And okay, like this, there it is. Just look at this. It's giving a vintage horror photo. The lighting, the spooky reflections like this, and then the atmosphere, everything feels so cinematic but creepy at the same time. You can adjust your prompt if you want it scarier, softer, or more realistic. It's all about experimenting. And okay, that's how you can create the haunted reflections effect with Gemini Nano Banana. It's perfect for your Halloween edits or creative portrait. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.